floral. To me, it looks like a darker lilac. Let's see. Okay. Hmm. It's actually not as dark of a lilac as I expected it to be. It's yeah, I really again with a name like floral, there could be a bunch of different ways that that could be taken. Definitely in the pastels. Definitely something that will be a great adjacent color with something else. So far, what I'm really liking, and I was kind of nervous, is with so many of the colors saying pastel this, pastel that. To me, pastels are usually muted down colors, and I was worried that that's what I was going to be getting with this was a muted down look, but that's not what I'm seeing at all. The colors are very vibrant, but yet they're pastels. They're very vibrant, but they've been if vibrancy is let's say at like the top vibrancy is a 10, it's like they purposely went to like an 8.5 just so they could mute it just a little bit so all the colors would work a little bit better together and not kind of fight each other, if that makes sense.